What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to delve into the topic of whether Marrow is enough for your NEET PG preparations, or do you also need to supplement your preparation using the standard textbooks that we use during our MBBS life. Do we really need a supplementary help from a different source like guides to help in our NEET PG preparation, or is Marrow self-sufficient and the one-stop solution that you need for NEET PG preparation? We'll be answering all of these questions in this particular video. If you want a complete review of the Marrow app, I have already made a full 20-minute video on this, which can be viewed right up here. It will answer all your questions regarding the Marrow app, the pros versus the cons, Marrow versus Prep Ladder, Marrow subject-wise review of the complete app, and so much more. So please do go and watch that video after you're done seeing this particular one. So let's get started. Marrow versus the standard textbooks. Now, in the field of medicine, there is largely a consensus, right, of what anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, medicine, and surgery is. There is a huge worldwide acceptance of the general protocols, the general procedures, which means that the knowledge throughout the entire world is the same. Only the routes of distribution, the forms of distribution is what varies. And the way it is taught to medical practitioners of the future is different. Now we have books, we have animations, we have flowcharts, we have images, we have so many different varieties. Choose your picking. Now, if you're the type of person who is able to condense, go through a Robbins, a Tripathi, a Park, a Harrison, or a Bailey and Love, all the standard textbooks, and make revisable notes, then Marrow may not benefit you to the extent that you would want it to. But if you're a person who wants an audio-visual representation of the facts, while at the same time you're effective in taking down notes as you're listening to the teacher, then Marrow is for you. The faculty at Marrow cover exactly what is taught in these standard textbooks, but looking at it from a comparative examination standpoint. And also what they do very effectively well is that they relate some of their own stories during their clinical days into the lectures. So it makes the lecture much more interesting, and you're not just bogged down with their theory of it. You also learn to think from a practical standpoint, because they make the stories that they undergo so much interesting, and it gives you a different perspective than what is taught as a theory from the textbooks. Now the second important question is whether Marrow is enough. Whether Marrow is the one-stop solution that I am looking for NEET PG and for Central Institute exams. Now this question plagues each and every student who wants to buy Marrow, because we want maximum bang for a buck. Even I had this doubt, and it only takes a few hours of research to realize that Marrow has so much of information in different formats like videos, Q-banks, grand tests, pearls, image-based questions, MCQ discussions, that you'll never be able to finish everything. And most importantly, remember everything. For example, Dr. Rohan Khandelwal, who is the surgery faculty, he makes it very clear in his introductory video that his lectures are not only enough for NEET PG, it is also enough to prepare you for your professional exams, your final year professional exams. What more could be a validation of the fact that Marrow is enough? If you see some of the toppers' videos, their recent interviews on the Marrow YouTube channel, for most of them, it was their primary source of preparation. A very few of them referred to some other source apart from Marrow. This validates for me at least that Marrow is more than enough. I'll link some of those interviews down in the description, and it's better that you hear this fact directly from them. That being said, thank you for putting forward your questions about Marrow. I hope I have answered them in this particular video, because I received at least over 20 different messages from 20 different people asking me about Marrow, because I had specified this in my previous video, which was a day in the life of an Indian medical student, and I hope I have been this video has been an answer to each and every single one of those people. If you have more doubts about Marrow, the specifics about it, how to go about it, which plan may work for you, you can write to me down on my Instagram DM. The social media handles are down there in the description. Of course, you can comment and leave suggestions for future videos. So there you go it guys, a comprehensive review of Marrow Edition 4.0. At the end of the day, you need to pick what suits best for you, and this is of course a certain perspective. If you enjoyed the video and you found it was informative, do hit the like button below. Comment in the comment section below how you felt about the video if you have any more doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because in the future I'll be updating you on any new features of Marrow, and I'll also be making a comprehensive series, a comprehensive review of each and every single faculty over at Marrow and everything in between. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. So there you go it guys, a comprehensive review of Marrow Edition 4.0. At the end of the day, you need to pick what suits best for you, and this is of course a certain perspective. If you enjoyed the video and you found it was informative, do hit the like button below. Comment in the comment section below how you felt about the video if you have any more doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because in the future I'll be updating you on any new features of Marrow, and I'll also be making a comprehensive series, a comprehensive review of each and every single faculty over at Marrow and everything in between. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.